Malik Wright. I'm a native of Tampa, Florida. I formerly attended Tampa Bay Technical High School, and I am now an upcoming sophomore and a sprinter at Tennessee State University. While in high school, I hold numerous records for sprinting, as well as being ranked number 1 in Florida for the 200 and being ranked within the top 10 in the nation in the 200. I chose Tennessee State not only because it's an HBCU, but I chose it because it is a track school. Many legends have come out of Tennessee State. Long jumper Ralph Boston, the notorious head coach at Temple, and my head coach, Chandra Cheeseborough. I encourage the youth of Tampa to not only get good grades and work hard because everyone tells you that, but take the next step, take some initiative and study your craft, perfect your craft. You have to know your sport. Whatever you do, you have to be great at it. Do things others don't do. So those early mornings, instead of while everyone's in the bed sleep, get up, grab your spikes and hit the track. Grab a ball, do some drills on the court. Grab your cleats and get on the field and do some drills. Be great at what you do. Do things others don't do, because to be successful, you have to do things that will go unnoticed, so that one day you will become noticed.